In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade Micro E-mini Nasdaq 100 futures on Tradingview. First, open Tradingview. On the top bar, click the search icon and type MNQ, which is the symbol for the Micro E-mini Nasdaq 100 futures. Be sure to select an active, tradable contract, such as MNQ1 or a specific expiry, like MNQM 2020. 6. Avoid the continuous contract, because it's great for analysis but it isn't tradable through the broker connection. When you load the chart, double-check the symbol line to confirm you are on the current contract before placing any orders. Now, take a moment to analyze the chart using Tradingview's tools. You can adjust time frames, add indicators, and draw levels to map out potential entries and exits. Remember, this futures contract moves in ticks, and each tick represents a fixed dollar amount per contract. That means every small price move directly translates to a gain or loss. So clarity on direction and risk is essential before you trade. Next, open the trading panel at the bottom of the screen. From here, select your broker and log in to connect your funded account. Once connected, Tradingview will show your account status at the bottom, and you'll be ready to place orders directly from the platform. To place a trade, click the Trade button or open the Order panel on the right side of the chart. Choose whether you want to buy if you expect the market to rise, or sell if you anticipate a downturn. Select your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, which is useful for fast entry. A limit order lets you specify the exact price where you want to get filled, which is helpful if you are waiting for a pullback or a more favorable entry. Before you submit, define your risk. Always set a stop loss to cap potential downside and a take profit to lock in gains. According to your plan, enter these levels in the order screen so they're in place the moment your order is active. Consider your position size carefully so that a normal stop distance fits your risk tolerance. After your order is live, manage the position from the trading panel at the bottom of the screen. You can monitor open positions, see real-time profit and loss, and modify or close trades as conditions change. Staying attentive here ensures you can respond quickly if the market moves. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.